Yeah. Hello everyone. So
Hi.
Hi,
yeah,
hello.
hi. So
Hi guys.
Hi.
yeah, hi.
Hi.
So this guy, any doubt from the previous classes? Like what do we before starting the classes? If you have any query or kind of doubt, we can start from the doubts. Okay. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, look, we can start.
Start now. Okay. One second. Abhishek is asked. Yeah, Abhishek and
Thank you.
yeah. So any
Uh,
doubt, Abhishek, from previous classes?
yeah,
No,
actually,
nothing.
what happened, I tried to do some practice, but I was experiencing some error. Like the same error, it was there. Like previous week, someone asked that same question. Like I was also unable to use that. So I sent an email to the support team. But what they
Mm-hmm.
did is they sent me the P, the Word
PDF.
document file, which
Okay.
contains like
Okay.
how to download it. But it was not
Okay.
useful. The error was like
Okay.
the same one, like the last time one guy experienced the error, right? After if you could share my
Okay.
screen, I'll be.
Okay. Okay. After the class, we can whatever your error is, we can
Yes.
correct it. Okay. Okay. So last classes we already covered the how to select statement, right? The multiple query, subquery. So also we are covering the create table. Okay. So again, create table is the we are working with the DML statement like mostly create, how to create table and define the column name and its data type. Okay. So today we are covering we have some kind of scenario is there, like we have some existing table is there, and with some data like particular table, like using the copy, I can create a table, like you can say the copy a table. Okay. So you can say that this. One second, let me stop my screen. Okay. So you can see that all can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how to copy a table? Like you can see that I have a empty table. Okay. So this is what my table is. Okay. Suppose I want to I want to with all, you can say that particular we have job title clerk is there, then salesman is there, manager is there, analyst is there. So we have the multiple job titles. Okay. So how to means I want to create a separate table with all the managers details. Okay, like separate table for manager. So how to copy the data from the table and create another table from. Okay, so like suppose, okay, one second, guys. Okay, create table. Suppose this is my manager table. My table name is manager. So here I'm using age. Okay, so what this query will do. Okay, so you can say that here I am using the create table syntax, right? Create table, table name, then age, I am passing the query. So first check what is the output of this query. Okay, so you can say that this is my output of the query. Okay, and so in my particular query, it will return some column and return some particular, you can say that data is there. So I am creating the a separate table with this particular records, like 3 records. So if I am now querying sort tables, so you can say that one table is the manager is there. Okay, so this is how we copy the table, copy the data from table and create another one. Okay, another concept is the view concept. Okay, like view. Okay, so view is the like quite mostly used in database. So the purpose of to create the view for the, like we have like many reasons are there for the data security, for the performance. Suppose like we have some kind of many users or many who are using the table. So we have the base table, right? So everyone, while using the base table, everyone can edit, everyone can perform the DML operation table. So that's also affect my security, right? Someone might be some delete some data. Okay, so in this scenario, what happened, we just creating a view, and if some particular user is only want the fetch the data, he doesn't require or authenticate to perform any DML operation. So in this scenario, we are creating a view and provide the access to them. Okay, we just, so view is nothing but it is, you can say that it is similar to the table. Like it is a, you can say that link, like what we use in our desktop, like create shortcut. So it kind of that it create a shortcut link for the table. So with the view also we can access the particular table. So what is the syntax for view? Create or replace view. So view is the, as I told you, that it is a logical of data, like represent or some kind of data, but it never occupies space. It directly refer to the table. So this is the syntax: create or replace view. Then here I am giving edge select. So based on this query, my view will be created. So create or replace view. Replace view. Suppose same thing that manager particular, here I am creating. Okay, then here also query. Okay, so you can say now my view is created. So view is behave as table, but we cannot perform the DML operation. So we can say that one manager view is there. Okay. So you can say that this is the output. So view is behave as a table. So view will always return what the output of this query. With this output of this query, I created a view. Okay, so view is kind of that you can say that logical. It is a logical representation of data. So view always based on the whatever the output of the query, it will return that. Okay, so and view are read only. Okay, you can perform the view with the join query also. Like we have some department table and manager table. I also create a view with the whatever your output of the join. In view, we can also perform the join query. Like if I am creating another view, suppose okay, duplicate column. Okay, one second, guys. Okay, so you can see that now my view is created. The EMP details. So now this particular it's also behave as a virtual table, not my physical table, virtual table. Okay, clear everyone?
So, can we perform DML operation on view?
No, no, no. We cannot. Like we have some certain kind of scenario is there where we can. Okay, but not in all case. Okay, not in all case we cannot perform the DML operation. But definitely certain conditions are there. Okay, so like you can say that this is a if you the like simple view like normal single table we can perform the DML query, but while using the like complex scenario or like you have if I'm using the joins and aggregate function, so mostly time we cannot we cannot perform the DML query. So there is some certain kind of limitation are there, but it is not recommended to use the DML query in view. If you want to perform any DML query, so try to do only in base table. Okay, so base table, and what is the relation between view? So view is the logical representative of data. Means suppose you can see that like here you can see that to create a view I using the query select statement. Whatever the output, with that I create a view. So how it is working now? Like if suppose this kind of table or data, if you are working on daily basis, you want to pick. So instead of running this particular query every time, just create a view, and whenever you are using the data, and fetch the data from the view. This is the whole concept, right? Not run the query every time, just create the view. So view will, you can say that it is a temporary, you can say that it is basically it refer to the table, base table. So whatever the data is there, you get into the view. Whatever the output of the query, that all data you get inside the view. Okay.
Yeah, look, sir. I mean, if we have created a view and after some time the base table is changed,
Yeah,
so
base
again,
table. Yeah. Okay.
again we have to create.
So if suppose if we created a table, okay, and if you created a view, and suppose sometime after that your view will be like that's why we are selecting column. And suppose sometime what happen, we delete the base table, so your view also invalidate, it won't work. Like if you can say that wait, I will show you. One, you can say that table is the manager, right? You can say that this is the manager, so I just create a view with the manager.
It's already there, I suppose. Manager view.
Okay, manager view there. I think, yeah, manager view is there, right?
Yeah.
No, that is actually, one second. That is view, that manager actually refer to the employee table. Okay, let's create another view with this table, manager table.
Okay.
I'll show you what happened when your base table will delete or drop. So what happened to the view? Okay, so this you can say that now my view is created, manager view 2. Okay, so this view is refer to this table, manager table. Okay, means whatever the data in manager table, your view will be, it will be also in view, because we are using the query. So what happen when you, when your view, when your base table is something change or drop? So let's drop this table. Sorry. So here I am dropping the table, drop the table. So you can say that my manager table is gone. Okay, it drop means I delete the manager table, but my view is there. So let's try to get the data from the view. You can say that you view emp.manager view to reference invalid table. So your view become invalid if something like if you change some change the column name, or you can say that if you delete the table, so your view will be invalidated. So it is kind of shortcut, you can say that shortcut link. Okay, so your base, if you delete the base table, your view become unused or invalidated. Okay.
Okay.
This is the whole concept of view. Like mostly we are using the view and tables. Like sometime what happen ki we have the like large table, like we have like one table is there where we have 300 of columns. Okay, So you cannot read the because it is not fit to our screen, right? But like from 300 column, I only required 50 column every time. So you can create the one view with that 50 column. So it's easy to use for you, right? No need to work on that large table. So this is the whole scenario means of the view. Okay, and sometime for the data security also, if someone wants some data from the table, okay, so if I am giving the access to them the base table, might be they are doing some, if not everyone doing that, but might be chances that they might be perform some DML. So I lost my data. So what happened? I create a view, what the data they want, I create a view and give it to, and give the view to them whatever you can want. You can, because in from the view they can only read only, they can only fetch the data, they cannot perform the DML. So in this way I protect my base table. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the, I mean, how we work in database. Okay. Uh, any other doubts? Everyone is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Another thing we today we learn with the CTE, that is the common table expression. Okay, common table expression we are calling. So CTE, that is common table expression, is the, you can say the windowing function. Like you can, we already know the table, we know the create, like the view also you already know. So CTE is kind of function like where we create some temporary table and fetch the data from them. Okay, it's kind of, you can say that analytical function. Okay, like for that we are using the with close. Okay, so how it is working, like I have a table. Okay, you can say that this is my table. So suppose I want to fetch some data, like whose salary is, you can say that, greater than 2000, and from that I fetch my data. I want to group by, so instead of subquery you can also go for the this one here with, this is the clause we are using, T edge. Then here I am providing my query like select star from EMP. Okay, okay, okay. Then what happen whenever we are using the with clause, means using the with clause we are creating a temporary table. Mean temporary table means for this will, like the whatever is the temporary query is there. Okay, means this output will first create a base table, and from this we are creating, we are just select the, so here you can see that this is the CTE, common table expression. So with the with, this is the keyword T. T is your temporary table name, and this temporary table is whatever this output of this query, it will collect the all records of this particular query. Means with this particular table, one second, with this particular uh, records, output of the record, I created a temporary table. Okay, and immediately I am fetching some record. So there is no gap between this particular syntax and this select syntax. So here I am providing the select star from T. So this is my temporary table. So if you want to like some small kind of operation like one time, no need to create another table. We can create using the with clause, you can create table and you can fetch data from it. This is also a, you can say that, one kind of analytical function. Okay.
So Alok sir, always the table which is created, like here you have used capital T as a temporary table, but while selecting we use the lowercase t. So
Yeah,
every time,
it can be used.
okay, so every time, I mean, the table which is created, it will be a lowercase or uppercase,
No,
anything
no, no,
will
no,
work.
no, 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 that is not required. You can use the same, like you can give the T. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Alok sir, I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
This with clause is only limited to SQL Server, or it is used in anywhere, any database?
SQL is there. MySQL also it is there. SQL Server also I never work on DB2, so I'm not aware in how it is DB2 it is there or not. But in Netija, like Netija also, if anyone who working in Netija also you find this with clause.
In
And
Oracle?
Hive, yeah, oh, Oracle also it has. Hive, if any are working in Hadoop, Hive database also that this clause with clause is there in Hive also.
Okay. And when this table is vanished, means it's a temporary table
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it is
it will now go on now. There is this will not create a table. This will just temporary create a table. Once you select the particular this statement, it will release the memory. It will just create a memory with your temporary create a table with cache memory. You can say that. Once you fetch this record, select star from till, it will release. It will return the output and it will release. If I am show tables now, there is no tables called T. So this will increase your performance. Sometime while if you are working in like data analysis or reporting or Tableau, if you are working in ClickSense, so mostly time we are working with clause. So mostly people working. There are a lot of you are going to use with clause. Okay.
okay.
This is the analytical function. Okay, means like mostly you are using for like creating reports like, as I told you, like some if you are working in data like finance reporting, compliance reporting, any reporting with clause is using. Okay, so it will not create any table like permanent table. It just create a temporary table. Once we fetch the record, it will gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. Any other anyone have any query? Okay, I think all are fine. Another we can say that another analytical function is the rank. Okay, so this is also quite mostly used with the rank, and another is the dense rank. This is also means mostly we are using. Okay, so rank means it will like if some I have a huge table. Okay, and I want to like versioning number, I have lot of records, so like I can more perform the query on the like partition by, then order by. Okay, so how your rank is working? So we have employee table. Okay, so here we are rank means we are just group the data and find the particular value. So here you can say that we have the record. So if I am talking about like find the highest salary of employee, right? Select star from EMP, order by cell. This I can find the highest salary. This top will my 5,000 is my highest salary. Okay, so here it is my single record, right? But in whenever you are working in database, so many people have the like salary, like you can say that more people have the 5,000 salary. So how to get the all highest salary? Like, so if you want to return the second highest salary, you can say that this is my, there are two people with my second highest salary, like 3,000 and 3,000. So how to get the all record of the second highest salary? So for that, we are what happen, we just group by the particular table data, and we rank them according to their particular whatever the query we fetch, we rank some number on, and according to that we fetch. Okay, so how to do that? Let's select, we can say that star, okay, all table rank. So for rank we are using rank over. So over is you can say that used to like on which particular like column or particular table. Rank over means what do you want to do with the rank. So over here I can say that partition by, or you can use group by also. Okay, you can say that group by, how can I say that, group by department number, I can say that, like or I can say that group by salary. Yeah, group by salary and also order by salary. Okay, so this is my rank. Okay, from EMP, then I can say that where. So let's do this, how this, one second, I think query is, okay, I think some query is one. So before going to query, I will show you some concept. Wait. So how your rank is working, first I tell you, then I can tell the query. Okay, so this is my rank, and you can say that this is my dense rank. Suppose I have a like data like this, like 1, suppose, then 1. Okay, then I have like 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, and 4 is there. So this is my, you can say that this is my ID. So how your rank will return? So rank will return, this will be as a rank 1. Okay, this is also rank, you can say that so instead of rank 1, it is kind of like 2, no, 2, 1, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so this is my rank 1, this is my rank 1. Okay, so whenever I going to the, what should be my rank here, 2 is there, right? 2 should be there, so it will skip the 1%, so it will be like 3, 4, then 5, then 5. Okay, and same thing if I go with the dense rank. Okay, So rank, so in dense rank, it is like 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, got it? How it is working? Hello. Yeah, clear everyone. What is
Sir,
the
I think
concept?
first rank, I think 4 and 4 contain the same rank. It
Yeah,
is
rank will what happen now? Rank will skip a one particular rank. So whenever you are using the rank, suppose I have the multiple value of one. So after it will skip that one particular, instead of here it should be 2, but it will be shown as the 3. So this is the, you can say that, and here it is showing the exactly like 2, 3, 4. So mostly this is the preference. Like mostly the time we are using the dense rank for our projects or whatever your query. This will get you the better output of, you can say that, while on rank and dense rank are using mostly the historical record for versioning purpose. Okay, so how to do that? Use near group by rank.
I think partition by clause is required.
Yeah, partition code, yes, partition by, yeah. Yeah, this is also not. 1 second. Rank over, right? I using the over. Order by. What is the error? When error is equal to check the manual corresponding MySQL version. Writes in test order by. I think some syntax issue are there. Like we have employees there, then we have rank is there. Or
So I think there are two order by. So is that
I think rank is there or not in MySQL. 1 second.
we can use two order by in over?
Over, no?
Yeah,
Not
there are
not
two.
two order by. Okay, 1 second. Order by salary descending rank. I think rank is not age, but this syntax will work in your SQL. I think MySQL don't have the rank function. We have the like otherwise we can use top also. Okay, means okay, I will send you the particular rank, particular syntax query. Okay, so this is not working in my system. Okay, but this is the exact your query is over order by EMP. This will working in your SQL. Okay, or you can give like where rank equal to like 2. Okay, so this
Sir,
also
I've
working.
sent the syntax. If you can
Yeah.
try, I've sent this text.
Mm-hmm.
Can we take this and try to get this data?
Okay. 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 So ranking select. Shira. I think there's some syntax error there. So I will send you the this particular two query, okay, which will run fine in rank and dense rank. Okay, but the whole concept is that, right? Rank will skip like one place, wherever dense rank will return the your all particular age per your data. It will ranking. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about your SQL. Okay. So if any other one have query, they can ask. I will send you. And one thing, everyone got that PDF, SQL PDF and Unix PDF material.
No,
Yes, yes.
no, I don't know.
Okay. 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 I will actually. Okay. You will get the particular two material by today only. Okay.
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 Alok sir, for Unix, are we going to have any sessions? I mean,
Unix. Okay. Then one thing. Then tomorrow we can like do a Unix session. Like for the whatever we till now we do, we can for the complete. Okay. Like from first to end. Already we done with the session, but okay. Some new peoples are there, so we can do a Unix session tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow same time.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Okay. 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 Then that's all for today. And I think Amit has some issue with system issue, right? So Amit, you can share your screen. Amit or Abhishek. Abhishek, you have
Yeah,
the
it's
issue,
me,
right?
Abhishek. Yeah.
Abhishek, no? Okay. You can share your screen. Okay. So just practice the MySQL means mostly the you required only the fetch, how to fetch query from the database using the join. That only is enough. Okay.
Can you see my screen now?
No, no, no. I cannot see.
Give me a second.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, thank you.
What is the issue, Abhishek?
Yeah, I was unable to log in.
Okay. Amit, do you get your old software in your system?
Yes, yes, I got it. So
Got it?
post this, I will share my screen and I will check how
Sure,
it
sure,
is
sure,
working
sure.
for you.
After Abhishek, you can share your screen. Okay.
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 So sorry to interrupt you. So can we leave for this for today?
Yeah. All can leave for the today. Others can leave for
Thank
the
you.
day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. Just send us a PDF, whatever you have.
Yeah.
Send us a PDF, whatever.
Sure. You will get by today only. Okay.
You have my mail
Sir,
or
the
Yeah.
session was for 2 hours, na?
No. Session is for 1 hour. What I get from the support team. Okay, means 1 hour for MySQL and other for like your query and other. Okay.
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 Yes, can you see my screen now?
Yeah. I can see your screen. Just write the query. So databases
Here,
SHOW. So databases a
space.
space databases. Databases. Then you give the colon. Yeah. Then control enter. Press control enter or F5. I think in. Yeah, it is working. Okay.
Oh, yes.
So for to create the table, you need to use any one of the particular, or you can create your own schema. So how to create the schema? Like create database, then schema name. Okay.
Yeah.
And how
I
to
was confused because
use?
that
Yeah.
I was like
It is
confused because I was not getting that black screen, so I thought it's not the same thing.
black screen is the
So I
command
thought,
prompt. Okay, you can work on this only. This only you can work. Okay.
okay. Thank you. So
Yeah.
tomorrow we'll be doing that
Unix
Linux
session.
session.
Yeah. Unix session.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are we done for
Okay.
today?
Yeah, Amit. Wait a second.
Hello, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So look, I requested my IT team and the software which they have installed is like this.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
Okay.
what they have installed: Visual Code, Python, PyCharm,
Okay.
and this Anaconda.
Anaconda. Okay, and
Yes.
they don't give the MySQL, no? Database you can practice
So
anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Okay.
yeah, actually, I'm more interested in SQLite, so I think I should focus on
Okay.
SQLite.
This one, right click on this Python 3.8.2. Right click on this.
So I think I have already installed it. If you can see,
Okay.
so this is
You
PyCharm,
yeah.
and
That's
this is
fine.
Python.
Yeah, that is fine.
Okay, that is fine.
Yeah.
But Alok, uh, the software is installed now, but I don't know if it has been installed or not, because
No, no,
I
it
don't
is
know what
installed.
actions I need to select. So if you can
Yeah,
take
yeah,
the access and it is
yeah,
installed
yeah. It
properly,
is.
right?
Yeah, yeah. It is installed properly.
Okay, then no problem.
Okay then. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Sonal here.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, Sonal.
Yeah, actually, due to the laptop problem, I have to format my ये laptop. So
Mm-hmm.
ये format का process अभी तक तो हो रहा था मतलब अभी मैंने setup वगैरह सब किया and फिर से
Okay.
अभी वो MySQL जो है वो download कर रहे हैं
डाउनलोड करना है तो ठीक
तो
है, आप अपना
taking
स्क्रीन
time.
शेयर करो. ओके, ओके, आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो. ओके, मैं प्रेजेंटर बनाता हूँ.
साखर आणि आलं टाकलं होतं.
Hello.
Yeah. So, Sonal, share your screen.
Yeah, it's downloading still, so it's taking time.
Okay, taking out. Okay, then we can wait. Wait.
Yeah, it's showing as 146 downloaded and 41 MB is left.
Okay. Okay.
So where I will get the downloaded, recorded videos of this course.
Courses, na? Yeah. You will get the link from the support team. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So support team has any WhatsApp group or they only share the email through?
Email. That actually I'm not aware. Means how they means. I think they are sending by the mails only, mails or WhatsApp.
Okay.
If you have any query regarding kind of material or like any query on doubts, so directly mail to the support@Pervatech. Okay, with your what is your issue, just paste the screenshot and send it to the particular that support@Pervatech.
Okay. So you are the person who are resolving this?
Yeah, me or we have support team also. Like we have a
Okay.
huge support team. They will also help you regarding any kind of installation if you require. Okay, software installation, or they will help you.
Okay. Yeah, sure. It's showing as 45 minutes left, so it
Okay,
will
you
take
can
more
share
time.
your screen because I cannot see your screen, it is
And
blank.
I have connected it to go to webinar from mobile. So
Okay, you can connect from Lepi then. Okay.
Alok sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alok sir, Nikesh here. So I just wanted to know like how we should use this schema in database. Suppose I have opened that
Yeah.
SQL workbench. So
Yeah.
if
It's
I say show database, so it gives me
yeah.
the database. Now if I
Yeah.
want
Fine.
to,
So whenever MySQL is your database actually. Okay. Whenever using the show databases, right? So it
hmm,
will be return you the schema. Schema means kind of you can say that folder structure in your
okay,
database. Okay,
okay,
so it will return the schema only. Inside
okay.
schema, you are creating tables, view, okay, and whatever the other database object are there.
So if I want to know, suppose there's a schema as MySQL. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
if I want to know what are the tables under MySQL.
Yeah. You can go to the schema, use schema name. Okay, then inside
Okay.
once you got the message when you use schema name, you got the message database change. Then you can perform the sort tables. You can got all the like predefined tables or installed tables are there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So these are the predefined table name. Okay. So if I want to create a new schema,
Yeah. You can
so
create a new schema. Then you can use create database name.
okay. So schema, if I want to create, so is it the same like create new schema? I
Yes.
mean,
Yes.
oh, okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
mostly what happen now? So whenever we are creating some table, definitely
Mhm.
it requires some table space, right? Like
Yeah.
whenever you are working in, like same if you are reporting your laptop, okay. So when you
Mhm.
are store some file, right? You cannot
Yeah.
you either need your hard disk, right? This is entire your otherwise what how you put your file inside some folder. Definitely it requires some folder name, right? So in database also same. Whenever you are creating some table, definitely it required some schema. You cannot create table outside the outside. So definitely you first create the schema. Like one a table space or one can folder structure where you can put all your database objects. That's why we create schema, and inside the schema we create tables. Okay. And what is the benefit of creating a schema? Like suppose I have like 3 to 4 projects, multiple projects I'm working on it. Okay, so it's better to create every one schema for every project, and inside that I can create my own project related table. So this is also like you can how you working. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
So sir, is it fine if I will share it tomorrow?
Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah, it's taking more time, so it's a network
Sure.
problem also.
Okay, sure. You download the particular MySQL. Okay, we'll do tomorrow
Yeah.
then. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.